Welcome back, IG Garage family. Have you ever had your car hesitate during startup or felt a strange misfire while driving? If your scanner is showing the P0341 code, this could be the reason why. Today I'll break down exactly what this code means, show you the location of the camshaft position sensor, and walk you through a quick fix. Let's dive in. Code P0341 relates to an issue with the camshaft position sensor, specifically that the sensor signal isn't aligning with the engine's crankshaft position. When the camshaft position sensor malfunctions, it throws off the engine timing, which can lead to rough idling, misfires, and poor acceleration. Now let's talk about the sensor location. This is super important because finding it quickly can save you a lot of hassle. The camshaft position sensor is typically located on the cylinder head, near the camshaft. In most cars you'll find it on the engine's front side, near the timing cover. Be sure you're looking at the camshaft position sensor, and not the crankshaft position sensor, which is usually located further down. Identifying the correct sensor is crucial to getting this fix right. So what causes this code? Often it's due to a faulty camshaft position sensor, poor wiring connections, or even timing chain issues. Symptoms include hard starts, engine hesitation, and sometimes even poor fuel economy. To resolve this, start by inspecting the sensor and its wiring. Make sure the connector is clean and that there's no corrosion. If the sensor itself is damaged, it may need replacement. Simply disconnect the wiring, unscrew the sensor, and install the new one. After replacing, clear the code with your scanner and start the engine to check if the fix worked. With a new sensor, your car should start smoother, and you'll likely notice a more stable, idle, and better overall performance. That's how you tackle the P0341 code. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit like, and subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair tips. For related fixes, check out these two videos. First up, see our video on P0012 if you're dealing with a camshaft timing issue, or watch P0263 for diagnosing injector circuit issues. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on IG Garage.